We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment 8E. Let's go on in. So we're on the 8th floor of this 9-floor elevator building. We are facing to the east. As we come in, the 2-bedroom apartments here in this building are on floors 6 through 9 for the C, D, and E styles. We're in the E model apartment. This one has the kitchen that is the L shape, so the folded kitchen. You can see the microwave, there's the dishwasher and sink, the stove and oven, and some cabinets and drawers, and that refrigerator. Behind us to our right is the bathroom door for the apartment. That's the bathroom. We'll take a look in there. So it's like the other bathrooms we've seen here in Collegetown Plaza. So we've got that toilet, the vanity, that standing tub shower with the sliding door, and you can open that vanity for some storage space underneath. Let's go into the living space. You can see we've got the dining table and chair over here. Usually we see that placed on this wall over here, so that's a different placement. It's always a good idea to check the other videos to see what the furniture placement is like to get some suggestions. You can see the air conditioner for the apartment is that window unit, or that under window unit that's there in the living room. So that is the air conditioner for the apartment. It's not central air, but it does cool the apartment down nicely. You can see the seating areas, the sofa, the easy chair, coffee table, end table. And these 2-bedroom apartments all do come with a TV. Let's take a look in the bedrooms. So on our right is bedroom 1. This is the bedroom closer to the bathroom. The furnishings will be the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf. We'll get around and take a look at those. Nice bookshelf, good dresser. Closet is open here behind the door. We have this full-size bed. I like where it's placed in this room. That's a good place to have it tucked in over there. And let's take a look out the window. The windows all face the same direction. This is looking to the east. So Collegetown Center is that big red building in front of us, and you can see all the way to College Avenue over there. So that will get some good morning light. Let's go across into the other bedroom. So we're crossing that living room space. Again, all the windows are facing east. You can see Collegetown Center again over there. This is bedroom 2. And this one, we've got the bed tucked in here by the window. And there's the desk and chair. And again, you can see that east view. That is Dryden Road to our left. And there is the dresser and bookshelf and the other closet over here. That's the closet space. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 80. We're in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here at 111 Dryden Road. Again, this is a 9-floor elevator building. We enter on floor 4 of this building because of the hilly nature of Collegetown. So it's important to watch the building overview videos to see how the building fits together and where the apartments fit within this building. Collegetown Plaza, from the intersection of Dryden Road and College Ave on the corner, we are just 1 block from campus.